Hey everybody, it's Cicerella from Crash Customs. It's a beautiful day in Lake Havasu today. Let's go see what's going on in the shop. Ah man, Crash Custom paints everything, even the sign on the door. Hey, check out his chopper. I don't know if any of you ever seen him on it, but it looks good. USA. Let's keep going. We're going through the fab side. Got 442 frame, 67 Cougar, almost done for Denise and Rick. Cadillac Lake. We like our Cadillacs here. God bless America. Hey, there's Dolly Dagmars. That's my girl. You know why they call her Double D or Dolly Dagmars? Anybody know what a Dagmars is? Say below in the comments if you do. Let's go see what Crash is up to. Hey Crash, what you doing?
Sanding away.
Sanding your life away.
Yeah, back and forth, left, right, left, right.
Ooh, that's where you get all big muscles from.
You're a wise one. Hey, now I know why the radio was turned off. You think you turn that stereo back on? I need my music. Helps me sand.
Oh, you want your music back? Oh, I can handle that. No problem.
Do it to it.
We like it loud here. We like our rock and roll. For sure. Keeps us moving. Keeps us grooving. Yeah, we're doing it.
Turn the key. Hear that rumble. Arizona steel. Crash Customs. Let's roll. The engine still feels spark in the dark. Hear the pistons cry. Bring me back. Let me ride or die. Rust on the fenders, years on the frame. Legends never fade when you fuel the flame. Wrenches turn, sparks ignite. Arizona thunder in the desert night. Grease on our hands, fire in our veins. Every broken classic gonna ride again. Chasing the dream. Class gas cars, feel the horn. fast lane.
What'd y'all think of the Crash Customs rock anthem? We were going for a hair metal, arena rock style music, loud vocals, loud guitar. This one right here.
Rock on.
It was all her, really. I had an idea. She typed it into the IA machine.
AI.
What'd I say?
AI.
IA? AI? ChatGTPD XYZ?
Anyway, what's your favorite genre?
Yeah, what is it? Rock?
He likes the hardcore stuff.
I like the heavy stuff, whether it's heavy rock, hate breed. I like the heavy rap, the gangster shit.
Old school rap.
Yeah, old school.
Yacht rock.
Well, yeah, she
80s hair metal, 80s love songs, 80s bubblegum music. I'm an 80s girl.
Yeah.
90s.
Yeah, so put it down in the comments what you guys like, because we'll do another video for sure.
And please like, comment, and subscribe.
Nailed it.